Ang galing, automatic nagdi-dribble.
Pwede kitang i-pick up,
Diba?
Kapag nagka-climb sila.
Naka-twist yung leg mo.
Ako?
Si JM.
What the fuck? Ay! Putang ina!
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ito na to.
Pa-invite daw. Pa-invite daw si Kay.
I'm coming, wait for me. I hear the walls repeated.
Wait, dito.
Sounds like drumming.
Ayun.
Dito lang.
Layo mo dyan ha. Papi, come here.
Ay, Jerome, may apple dito.
Wala bang pagkain dyan?
Gutom ka ba?
May apo.
Saan ka?
Crouch ka dito. Abangan nyo ako.
Ayun na siya.
Lalagay ko. Ay, gago! Kinain ko ba?
Ayan, salamat.
Kala
Napoison ako, babe.
Right, eto.
Ayun, no, kay Rona.
Puta.
Bakit mo?
Oh! Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Kita masikip? Masikip.
Go, we will.
Wag dyan, bando, wag dyan.
Ha? Bakit?
Oh my god,
Wala
thank
dito.
you.
Not there.
Holy fuck!
Ang sikip.
Mayroon akong ano dito. Bro.
Emergency revive.
Ikaw na lang umakyat.
Kapit pa pala.
Parang merong baby boy
Medyo mahirap dito. Maximum stamina.
Guys, help! Oh my God! Hello? No! Where'd you go? No! Namatay ka na.
Namatay mo si Kay.
No! Wait, Dave, wait.
Nasaan kayo?
No!
Andiyan na si Kay.
Oh my God! Under the wala kami stamina. Holy shit, girl! Nice yung fog. Sa pan.
Dito ka, Jim.
Pag?
What you call me? Wait.
What you call me?
Stamina.
Kaliwa be. Hindi dyan.
Uy!
Patay na lahat ah. Hey. Head count.
One.
Baka may nasa ilalim pa.
4, 5.
Putang ina.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Thank you. You saved my life.
Mikey!
Oh shit, dragon! Fuck me! Thank you.
Tangin na, konti ng stamina eh.
May nakuha kang
Gago
pagkain.
si Mikey.
Gagawa sa
Nawawala si
Edible.
Mikey.
Edible ba?
Mikey!
Mikey!
Uy! Hello? Oh my God.
Wow.
Uy!
Oh my god! What the fuck? Ang taas na.
Help! Help!
Uy, si ba?
Green strawberry. Taste.
Mikey!
Yes! Yes! Bili dito! Bili dito! Lipat ka dito!
Yung mushroom ba yan?
Oh,
Cloud? Oh.
yo! Thank you.
Cloud.
Dito ba si Mikey? Where's Mikey?
Nasaan na sila?
Okay!
Where are you guys?
Okay!
Yung ano?
Guys, nasaan na kayo?
Where
Where are we gonna go now?
Come on! Come on, can do it!
ba ako? Hello?
Just go!
No!
Just vote, just vote.
Come on, bro.
Ayun!
Come on.
Ayun!
Ay, nahulog ka.
Chat, chat, chat.
You need to lunge. You lunge at me, bro. Lunge.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, dear lord.
And then you jump. Jump over
Jump
there.
here?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Over there.
Oh!
Kawawa naman.
Kaya mo na, Mike.
Alam mo, solusyon dyan.
Pakamatay nga.
Punta ka doon sa gilid, tapos talon ka.
Alam mo kung anong purpose ng lubid
Kaya
na
nga
yan.
Ayun na yan!
Go hang yourself.
I think
Ano yung
pag
turtle? Ano ginagawa ng
mo siya
turtle?
lahat, pwede mo siya i-jump.
Kita mo yun? Yung may ledge doon.
Sa gilid.
Sa gilid ng puno.
Kill
Kung saan ka
yourself.
nakaharap.
Taas ka dyan. Kung saan ka nakaharap.
Yours.
The demons.
Stop.
The demons.
No, this is
Demons and the angel. Ay, mahangin.
Sinong hindi nagdala ng guidebook?
Oo nga, di binabasa.
Guys, nagdala ko yung kanina tapos tinapon ko.
Talon ka na, sige, okay lang.
And he's from Palestine, that can't be right. Oh.
Kill yourself.
Do a backflip.
Backflip.
Ay, yung emote. Ay! Nandito na.
Tara, dito kayo, dito.
If you break, I'll have body dysmorphia.
Help.
It's Glinda!
Oh my god, saan hindi ako mamatay bro?
May use yan, may
nagamit
parang
yan.
durate.
Energy.
Tawag dun? Where are you? Ang tawag dun? Durability.
Wala.
I can't hear you. Uy, nice. Nahangin.
Yung stamina mo lang.
Ginagamit pa rin stamina.
Come and wait for me.
Ah!
And then,
Oh shit! Oh shit!
what the fuck? Uy, gago! Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Wait, I can still live, I think.
Ay, boy, si GM!
GM! Oh no! Gago yung fog! Gago yung fog!
Wait, you're so close. Oh no, the fog!
That sucks!
Oh no!
Ang healthy pa naman natin.
Uy, gago!
Oh no! Nilapit pa siya!
Gago nila yung sa akin.
Si Mandrake hindi nililipad, no?
Pick it up!
Throw it away!
Help me! Help me!
Girl, this is worse.
What the fuck? Is this you just watching me die?
This is slow torture.
Sigawan natin si JN.
That was so annoying.
That's so annoying.
Ang healthy pa natin dun.
JN, tingin ka sa
I
likod.
just want...
Yes.
Ano yung grapple?
Takin na may fairy dun, oh.
Shoot sa pera. Oh, oh.
Ay, hindi see you.
Help! Help!
Tulog na siya.
Help! Help!
Tulog na siya.
Help! I'm sleepy.
Tulog na siya.
Help me. Oh, takin na marami.
Iyan o, ibaba mo muna yung backpack.
Help! Oh my god, I'm being carried.
Go, 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 go.
Ayun na siya.
Ayun na siya.
Nice.
Oh my god!
Wake up.
Wake her up! Wake up!
CPR.
Grabe. Wait, I'm back up. Tapos, niricochet kami ga.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I love my friends.
Fuck! I got sleepy! Oh my god. How do I drop you? Oh my
Ala,
god!
nawalag lang. Nakatulog ulit.
Naririnig akong pala.
Ah! Putangin! Oh no, I'm gonna die. I think.
No, you're not.
Hold on. Oh!
Ala.
Oh no. Oh my god!
Ayun.
Tangin na para ang isda.
Uy,
Palaka.
so this is new.
Parang yung ano sa Minecraft.
Wow. Baldur's Gate.
Ano yan?
It's probably a trap.
Oh, oh, what the fuck?
Hello. Oh.
Si Russell.
Oh!
Uy!
Feeling ko si Ramir makakalabas ng ano ng Hades Town. Kasi hindi siya lumilingon no.
Hoy, kanina pa ako nakalingon. Wow. Roblox prepared me for this.
Nakasal gagamba oh.
Oh my god.
Kaso ang taas pa oh.
Blow me one last dance.
Ayo. Kala ko blow me one na go.
Hello? Anong iba-blow, ate? Kung meron lang, pwede naman ako bumili.
Siyempre wala akong mararamdaman.
Ala no.
Okay lang. It's not for me anyway, you know. If you catch my meaning.
You catch my meaning.
You know? If you know, you know. Uh-oh. I am in... Oh! Over there. Holy shit. Uh-oh.
Waiting. All these years I'll be waiting.
I need to get this.
He's
Food
about-
please.
Oh!
Yes.
Bro, just move.
Yes!
Wake up.
Yes!
Uh-huh. Oh!
Sabi na, bakit ka? Kapag hindi ka nakaabot ng huli, iiyak ako.
We are very busy.
Yes.
Tayo pa na siya.
We are, Hades' workers. If you fail at this, we all go back to fucking Hades Town. Show the way! Show the way! Show the way!
Ayan na.
Show the way!
Tapos biglang may trap na.
Oh my god, ayun na yun. It's the peak!
Oh my god, turn around!
Turn around for us.
Oh my god, we're all dead. We're all dead.
Ang galing na Apple pa ba?
Imagine you fall.
Do a flip.
Oh! Oh shit! Funny.
Don't survive or... Wow, 2 hours!
Dalawang oras yun.
Holy shit!
Damn. Shy.
Shisha boy.
Sana may makabakong damit na maganda naman.
Patay na kuha.
Siya lang pala yung nakatapos. Siya lang yung nakatapos. Siya lang yung may reward.